World-famous lover Telugu movie summary. The film begins with Gotham in a prison saying that he too has a story to tell. The film cuts to Yamini and Gotham's story. They are in a live-in relationship. Gotham is pursuing his dream of becoming a writer. Yamini takes care of Gotham like a mother and is always supportive of his decisions. But she doesn't see him putting in any effort for his dream and is fed up with her routine life. She eventually breaks up with Gotham. This makes Gotham start writing again, and he writes a story that takes place in Yellandu. The protagonist Shrinu is a union leader in the coal mines and is married to Suvarna unwillingly, and the couple has a 5-year-old son. The newly appointed officer, Miss Smita, gets close to Shrinu, unaware that he is married. Shrinu does not disclose his marital status either and starts to avoid his own wife Suvarna. Suvarna suspects that her husband is having an extramarital affair but doesn't confront him. Instead, she decides to pursue her career. She tops her examinations and it is published in the local newspaper, causing Smita realize that Shrinu is married, that too with a son. Shrinu, upon rushing home, finds Suvarna in a modern dress. She tells him that she'll be whatever he wants her to be, including wearing revealing clothes and makeup. All this made Shrinu understand his mistake and go back to loving his wife. The story ends with a note from Gotham saying that Shrinu sacrificed everything to be with his wife. Now, the story cuts back to the present where Gotham recalls his past on how he first encountered Yamini and how they fell in love. The next morning, he goes to meet Yamini in her office to tell her that he has started writing again, but Yamini asks him to leave. Another glimpse from his past is shown when Gotham and Yamini used to work in the same office. Yamini was going to be terminated and Gotham was going to get a promotion to work in Paris. Instead, he resigns the job, requesting the manager to retain Yamini's position. The film again cuts back to the present where Gotham says that if he hadn't resigned from his job, he would have been in Paris right now. This inspires him to write another story that takes place in Paris. In Paris, Gotham is working in a radio station. He loves parachuting. He falls in love with his neighbor Iza, a pilot. On Iza's birthday, she wanted something memorable, so Gotham takes her for bike racing, which ends in a tragic accident where Iza loses her eyesight. After 6 months, she gets a compatible eye donor and regains her vision. It is revealed that Gotham was the one who donated his eyes for Iza, and he tells her to return to him if she realized his love. This story ends with a note saying that Gotham sacrificed his vision for love. The film cuts to the present when Yamini comes to visit Gotham to invite him to her wedding, which is in 3 days. A frustrated Gotham yells at Yamini and she leaves the house. Gotham later goes to Yamini's house to try and convince her in vain. On his way home, he gets into a fight with a random guy and ends up in prison for bashing his head with a rock. After 2 years, Gotham is released and his friend publishes his book on behalf of Gotham, named The World-Famous Lover. Gotham attends the press meet of his book's success event while the public eagerly waits for the unfinished climax of the story. On stage, he recounts his tale, stating that upon returning from jail, Yamini waits for him and they both live happily ever after, whereas, in reality, no one was waiting for him. He says that it has always been Yamini who compromised. And even in Shrinu's story, it is Suvarna who always compromised and not her husband. In the Paris love story, the sacrifice made by Gotham came from the sacrifice made by Yamini in real life. He concludes the press meet by saying that he wants Yamini to be happy wherever she is. Later, Yamini's father reveals to Gotham that when Yamini learned that he had been arrested, she called off her wedding. He then leaves his daughter to Gotham. Gotham asks for forgiveness. She forgives him and asks if he knows the route to his home. He nods, implying yes. The film ends with Gotham and Yamini reuniting.